In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Notion pages into image blocks using the gallery view. Whether you're creating a mood board, building a project portfolio, or you simply want a clean and visual way to organize images, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Notion app and select your desired workspace from the left sidebar. Once you're there, go to the page where you want your image gallery to live, or create a brand new page if you're starting fresh. Make sure you're in the right spot because this page will become the home for your visual collection. Next, click anywhere on the page, type a /, and from the block menu that appears, choose Gallery View. This creates a gallery layout that displays pages as individual cards, which is exactly what we need to turn pages into image blocks. It's simple, visual, and very flexible. Now, click the new button inside the gallery to create your first page. Once the page opens, hover near the top and click Add Cover. Notion will automatically add a random image, but don't worry, you can customize it. Hover over the cover, click Change Cover, and upload your own image. Choose from Notion's gallery, or search Unsplash for high-quality photos that fit your style. Give the page a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Once you've added a few image pages, go back to the gallery view and click the settings or three-dot menu in the top right. Open Layout, then set Card Preview to Page Cover. After that, adjust the card size to large so your images really stand out. This extra step makes browsing your gallery much smoother and more visually appealing. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn Notion pages into beautiful image blocks using the gallery view. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be organizing visual content too.